If you've ever had a bunch of Chrome tabs open and wished you could copy them all at once, this video is going to save you a ton of time. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to copy all Chrome tabs at once using a simple free extension, so you can instantly save every open link, move your tabs to another device, or keep a backup of your research in just a few clicks. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps a lot of its settings and tools. From there, hover over extensions. When the submenu appears, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store where you can safely install browser extensions. Now in the search bar, type Copy All Tabs. You should see the extension appear in the results. Click on Copy All Tabs to open its extension page. On this page, you'll see the option to install it into your browser. Click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show you a permission pop-up asking you to confirm the installation. This is completely normal because the extension needs permission to read your tabs in order to copy them. Carefully review the pop-up, then click Add Extension. Chrome will automatically download and install the extension for you. Once the installation finishes, look near the top right corner of Chrome again. You may need to click the puzzle piece icon to see your installed extensions. This icon is where Chrome keeps extensions that are not pinned to the toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon, then find Copy All Tabs in the list and click it. The extension will instantly copy all of your open tabs. It grabs the tab links so you can paste them anywhere you want. To test it, open Notepad or any text editor, then press Ctrl-V to paste. You should now see all of your copied tab links listed one after another. This is super useful if you want to save a session, share your tabs with someone else, or move a list of links into an email, document, or note. Instead of copying each tab manually one by one, this extension does the work for you in seconds. It's a simple trick, but it can save a lot of time when you're doing research, planning content, or working with multiple websites at once. And that's it. You now know how to copy all Chrome tabs at once using the Copy All Tabs extension. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy browser tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.